Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video about the botanical garden. Hello guys, today I'm back with a new video. So today I'll be exploring botanical garden. If you want to visit botanical garden, then you have to first cut a ticket of rupees 30 and enter the botanical garden. So, today we are in the Botanical Garden, West Bengal. So, as we walk through the path, we can see that there are various trees in the side. But alas, at this area, there is only mahogany trees. For example, this is the Great Indian Mahogany tree, which sometimes grows to be too thick and sometimes grows to be thin. And as we walk, we get a feeling of peacefulness apart as we live in civilized areas or urban settlements where there is too much traffic noise. So I just love roaming around here, and we can see that there are mahogany trees on the both the sides. Wow guys, there's also a pond around there. The water in the pond is too pure as we cannot litter the lake, and it's surrounded by greenery. So guys, now we have reached the nature trail of the botanical garden. So it's also known the botanical gardens. This nature trail is also known as Prakriti Path in Hindi. We always know that nature has always been a good source of our needs for the mankind. Nature always fulfills the need of mankind, but not its greed. So, right now I'm feeling like I'm in a jungle. It's very dark around here, and there are two ways from here. This is the left side and this is the right side. This, if we go by right side, this path is called as Panchavati Path. If we go, we notice something that the floor is made usually with the bricks which are used in urban days, but there is a layer of clay on the bricks which gives it a feeling like we are walking in the jungle. And here we can see, here is I don't know what tree, and this looks too great. Here is a dead plant, and here are many plants. This is a bamboo tree at the most, and this is a thin species of bamboo tree. And you can see that there is a fallen tree around here in this particular area, and it's well to be here. It's feeling like we are in the jungle. So good way. This place, we have its name around here. This cheese called Malawao bee. It's bought from Malaysia. This is known as Chitrakut Path. As we go, we can see that there are various kinds of trees. I didn't know what are these hanging from the tree. We can also hear various birds and insects on here. It's truly awesome to walk in such a place. We can also see that there is a photography area around there in the tree. This is an overhanging branch of this tree. And wow, just look, this dead tree has given rise to a fresh new tree. Awesome, truly awesome. As we go more to the Chitrakut Path, the Chitrakut Path goes from there, but right now we will be changing our path to Kavina Path. This is the path. We can see that here is a bunch of flowers which is truly awesome to look at, guys. And you can look, I don't know what is this thing, and you can see that here is a tree which has 3 trees growing by it like a climber, which is awesome, truly awesome. And here is a dried bamboo tree which is dead. Here is a fresh bamboo tree. Here is another fresh bamboo tree. And here you can see that many years before there was an old fencing round here, but it is rusted, the paint is off, and it is leaned to the tree by its side. As I told you that there is a Kamya Kavana path branching from the Chitrakut path, but the Chitrakut path continues from here. And wow, there is a photography zone around there. Wow. If we go close by it, we can see that here is a sitting arrangement. We can also see that this place is made up of dead tree and bamboo. Here, this is man-made, but still, look, this is made from dead trees and bamboo, fresh bamboos. So guys, as we have seen that here is a beautiful and a big lake. So without boat riding, our adventure will not be over. So let's begin with the boat riding. But as it's raining, we cannot do it. But I can give you some information about this area. If you are an international tourist who has come to India, you can go for a ticket for rupees 200. But if you are Indian, you will have it in 50 rupees only. And you can have it for 30 minutes. You can see that here they keep all the life jackets, which when one boards the boat, the number of passengers are calculated and that number of life jackets are placed in it. Here you can see the boats. They are placed with various numbering, like this green one is number 8, the yellow one is number 6, the red one is number 4, and this point you can see the orange one is number 3 and the green one is number 2, which the person is, I think, anchoring or something like that. You can see here is a bridge made from bamboo which leads to the lake. You can also see that the river is very clean. You can see the water is just too clean. Here are some tires, I don't know why. Do you know that this lake has 2 islands in it, and this lake is about 2.5 hectometer in diameter. You can look here various aquatic plants in the lake. So guys, finally we have reached the destination, the tea plant section, after long walk. You can see it's written tea plant section. It's closed right now. If you come close to here, you can see many types of plant. Like there you can see it's coffee abrakia. There you can see it's colonial synthesis. And there is another version of Camellia sinensis. And here is another coffee abraca. After the tea garden, we have sent our journey to come to the greatest tourist attraction of the Botanical Garden. It is also known as the Great Banyan Tree. The Great Banyan Tree, scientifically known as Ficus beghalensis L, belonging to a family of Moraceae, is a native plant of India. It is more than 270 years old and is one of the longest canopy in the world of plants. In year 1985, it came to the Guinness Book of the World Records, as it is very usual to come, as it has the biggest company or canopy. The main trunk was, however, cut in 1925 because of fungal infection. Now, here's a myth that many locals say that the main tree trunk has never been found yet. But today I'm right now gonna burst this myth and tell you that in 1925 the main chunk was actually removed. So if it is removed, there will be no seashells. But now this is very amazing that without the main chunk, the plant is still growing. Now, after the Great Banyan Tree, next week we will see the Great Victoria Amazonia leaves. This is one of the largest leaves in the world. It's a water plant, so I cannot go close to this yesterday. However, it's brought from Africa and South America's Amazon River Valley. And you can see there's some red ones. The red ones are new ones, however, the ones which are green are mature ones. You can see that this particular leaf has taken a hard shape. So guys, we have come to the end of this session. You can see that pets are not allowed here. And okay. Which leaves us to the ticket counter. Now, here are some points about the botanical garden. These are actually rules and regulations whatsoever. Inside the botanical garden, you are not allowed to enter the garden area with a packaged drinking water bottle, as they are not allowed here. You can either bring a steel water bottle from your home or buy one from the cafeteria. Second, you cannot bring food at any containers which are sold outside. You have to bring home containers, and then only you can eat, or otherwise there is the cafeteria for the food. This area is maintained by the government of India, and it's strictly prohibited to bring any of the plastic use and throw water bottles or tiffin box here. Thank you.